Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. In today's video, we will discuss how to write a query for a customized approval status report in SAP Business One. You must have a question since there is a standard report in SAP Business One to show the approval status. Why we need a customized report? So the answer is very simple. Sometimes authorizers need customized user-defined fields to be available on the approval status report because some of the fields are key fields since they are customized, so they want to have a look before they approve or reject a document. And by default, SAP Business One does not allow to have user-defined fields in the approval status report. So that's why uh, there is a need to have a customized report which will show all the documents waiting for approval, and the approver can simply access this report and approve or reject the documents. So the process to develop the report is very simple. All you have to do is you need to write a query, and the query will be around three tables: OWDD, WDD1, and ODRF. OWDD and WDD1 are the approval template and approval stages table, and ODRF is the table which stores a document as a draft. So any document which is not approved or even which is approved and added, that document is stored in the ODRF table. Once you have query, you need to add filters or parameters according to the authorizers and according to the desired status. For example, you want to show him only pending documents waiting for approval, or you want to show them documents which are already approved. It depends upon the requirement. And the third step is simply deploy it and authorize the relevant users to execute that query. Since it will be a query generator based query, so it's good to manage the authorizations for such queries. Let's have a system demo. I have two different users, manager 2 and manager who is Jason Butler, and I have approval template which is already defined for the purchase orders. So the manager 2 is the originator and manager is the authorizer. Jason Butler is the authorizer. So any document which will be generated by manager 2, it should go for approval. This is the standard process here. So I'll quickly create a purchase order. So I'll enter some remarks. Please approve this PO, and the document draft 8 is created and sent for approval. Now from the manager user, I have a query here to show the documents waiting for approval, and this query has uh, parameters or filters for it will show only documents which needs approval from Jason Butler or manager user, and it also has a parameter for status. Let's say I want to see only pending documents. So once I execute it, I have an internal number, approval template name, document, vendor information, document total, and I have a user defined field broker which is already available in this query. In the resetting the example, I haven't filled this field, so let me create another purchase order with a value in this user defined field. So here is the field. For example, I will select here SG Electronics. I will enter some remarks, please approve, and I will send this for approval. I'll re-execute the query and show the pending documents. So number 9 is here, and you can see the broker is showing the code which I selected here. In order to approve the document, I can simply click on the golden arrow with the internal number and it will open the approval message. So basically, I played with the tables of the approval message, or you can say the approval template, as I mentioned earlier. So if I want to have a look at the document, it's the same process. I will simply click on the document draft number or draft key and it will open the document. Once I'm satisfied, I can either approve, reject, or keep the document as pending. Let's say it's approved. So now if I will re-execute the query, I will not see the number 9. And if I go back to manager 2 and generate the standard approval status report, and I want to see only approved purchase orders, I can see the number 573. This document is approved from Jason Butler. Okay, and it was approved on 5th of March, 5:37. And similarly, if I have a look at this query, I have the request date and request time also. Since it's a customized query, so you can add the fields which you need. Those fields could be from the document, or those fields could be from the approval message. Since we are just playing with the approval message, so my suggestion is keep the query simple and just show the basic information, since user have flexibility to approve, to open the message and look at the detailed message. Even if it's approved by someone, would check the history, and user also have the flexibility to open the document. So keep the query simple and let the user or let the authorizer check the details within the approval message. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, and share this video.